my goodness. So walk in and look, there's Halloween stuff here already. How stinking cute are these? I don't even have to glue popsicle sticks together. They're already done. Some mesh wrap if you're making wreaths. Oh, and they even have these little ribbon rolls. There's some buffalo check too. I'm sure more things are going to start popping up. I'm seriously a little bit overwhelmed. I wasn't expecting all of these goodies, so I apologize if I'm going through here really quickly, but it's like, oh my goodness, I really wasn't expecting all this fall decor. These are rub-on transfers, so if you're doing DIYs or paper crafts, these are really great for that. Maybe some decor. Oh, look at the little picks. So many different picks. Sometimes you really need to scavenge through the box, so there's a couple more. That'd look pretty with this mix too. I think I have some floral that's almost similar to that. So I'm gonna take, oh no, this green's got a little bit of gold in it. I'm gonna take these a little more natural and then mix them in with some of the floral that I already have at home. Here are some little pumpkins. They have different flowers, sunflowers on some leaves. There's a sunflower. Oh, it's an orange pumpkin though. Little leaves, and let's take a look on this side. Oh my goodness. These are perfection. What else? Oh, and 3D stickers. Oh my gosh, I'm seriously freaking out. Like, it's like I've never seen fall decor before. You know, I come year after year after year to Dollar Tree, but they still always surprise me every season. Who else is like that? Who else loves every season at Dollar Tree? Oh, so cute. These are massive planks. They're really long. You can do so many DIYs with them. This is probably one of the, yeah. Oh my goodness, look at these little velvet pumpkins. So cute. So there's a little bit of a darker orange back here. These ones are really pretty too. So nice. Oh, this is coming home with me. How beautiful for a gift basket. Looks nice with this rustic orange. That's a nice accent. Or the green. Which one do you like better? The orange or the green one? Just keeps getting better. Oh my goodness, look at these for a fairy garden. They're gorgeous. I don't make fairy gardens, but even as little accent pieces in my craft room, I always have a cabinet that I decorate. And these would be so darn cute in there. Just for a seasonal change. Little wheelbarrow with the pumpkins. Oh my gosh. Those who do make fairy gardens, you guys have to come in and grab some. This is gonna go fast. They're just perfect. Every little detail in them is perfection. Look at the apple and the little garden house. They're just so beautiful. Not just for fairy gardens, but if you have a tiered tray display, a seasonal one, You can plop one of these little things on there and it will just bring your tray to life. Just such sweet little items to put on a fall display tray. You know what I'm referring to, right? The tier trays. I don't see anything major that's new in the craft aisle here, but I always like to make sure and come through here just in case, because you never know, something might just show up. These are plastic, they're pony beads. These are like a rubber type. Oh, I wanted to check if they have the oh, see, here's something new. I'll grab one of these for my daughter. She was actually asking me about one. I'm actually looking for the large popsicle sticks, so I think I'm gonna start collecting some here and there from different stores, but they don't have any. These little farmhouse displays are really sweet too as a pen holder, or again, let's see, has anyone tried to remove this? And yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you've been able to remove it. If so, then I will buy one. If not, then I won't. You can put it on a tier tray as well, just with like all the little other farmhouse things, or you can use it as a pen holder, pencil holder in your kitchen. Oh, these are new. I didn't see these a couple months ago. They're little. These are back. Oh, wow. Check these out. Such a boho kind of vibe, especially these white ones with the gold trim. Just gonna go through the staple, kind of craft staple items, the paints and stuff, but actually, ooh, I've actually been looking for one of these for a while. I haven't seen any of the canvas boards on the wood, but it looks like that was the last one. Oh, I got some of these little metal tags to use for Christmas DIY. Hopefully I do that. Actually, yeah, some of them were like this style, and a couple other styles I think I grabbed. Ah, a nice 8x10 frame and some craft fabric. I always like looking to see what prints they have. Go to the cleaning aisle, but it's blocked off right now with a trolley. So what we'll do is we'll go down the hardware here. Oh, just they look like they're fully stocked again with the Armor All. This here is a brand named, and these are so much more expensive everywhere else. I have one with a price tag of $5.99, like a small teeny bottle like that. Just go through. Actually, you know what? I don't know if I purchased one of these. And I feel like I have, and I needed it the other day and I couldn't find it, so I'll have to think about that. A couple of recollections items are still hanging here. Oh no, those are just the canvas panels, not the ones with the wood. Oh, little llamas. These are new. I have the mermaids, I think, that are this style. And then they have some of the wood signs that you can easily paint or stain. These are great crafts for kids too. Oh, that reminds me. Someone was asking me about spray bottles and if I use one and if I like one. And I do. Oh, I think it's, no, not this one. It's, oh, this one. Oh, no. The one I have is actually similar to these, but it doesn't have this bubbling. If you see here, I don't know if the camera's catching it. If anyone has any insight, that would be awesome. But I have one and I bought it here and it works amazing. I always like checking out the cleaning aisle like this here because the accessories, and you often find brand named items like Veleda. Sometimes there's some other ones too, so it's always good to walk down here and check it out. I'm gonna go and see their cleaning products, take a peek here if anything stands out to me. You guys know that I absolutely love their cleaning, the toilet bowl cleaning product, but it's not on the shelf. It's like a tall blue bottle. Oh, these are new. How fun. A little project to do with the kids, and then you can get a white t-shirt here as well. That would keep you busy, and then you can even fabric paint it. Mixing tool sets. I saw that in another Dollar Tree. Has anyone used these self-adhesive wall tiles, and if so, how have they turned out? I'm going to check if they have some gel super glue. I still keep hoping that they'll have more. A really cute nautical ribbon. This one's my favorite, actually. It's really nice and neutral. And I have the little gnomes. And the boho kind of more themed colors. Do your stores have the peace sign and the half moon? Oh, there's some more nautical. Oh no, I think we saw those at the other store as well, and then they match these ones here. Looks like they still have a onesie. There was a whole bunch of these. Oh my goodness, this one's so cute. I love it, the little unicorn. Is this a new item? I don't think I've ever seen this line or these bottles before. They always have some fun nails or something in the makeup, but I don't really see anything as I'm walking through here. Nothing new. I don't know if there's anything fun and exciting at your stores, but so far just the things that I normally see and film for you. Although I do love these diamond nail files, so I'm happy to see that they're well stocked. And, oh, the pawns. These are new. So here's something, hair removal wax strips. I don't know if anyone's tried them. They had the pawns here not too long ago, and I spotted them at Dollarama for oh, here. Isn't that awesome? That's half the price that Dollarama was carrying them for, so that's a nice find. Let's see if there's anything else over here. I've purchased these before to make the little protein balls, and they work really nice. Take a peek. Still no cherry pie filling, just the apple. And I just wanted to take a sneak peek here because they had some really new. Oh, look, Knorr's. This is like a beef bouillon. They had some really great condiments at the other Dollar Tree I went to. So here's something new. Chicken stock or chicken bouillon. If you make soups and stuff, that's always nice and helpful. I'm going to grab this one and put it in my cart. Some Jello. Well, actually, you know what? I should probably grab a little pizza sauce. It's always good to have in the pantry. and I like the Aurora chicken bouillon cubes, so it's okay. Not, I mean, the price is okay here. There's some taco seasoning. It is back to school season, so you'll find some newer items, sometimes bonus packs. These are newer, but it's always good if you're needing supplies to just take a look for bonus packs and to check out what else they could have brought in if it's worth your, you know. Anyways, I love stationery products, so this is one of my favorite aisles in the store. Take a look and see if there's any new coloring books. Dr. Seuss, they're just the regular pages. Little Mermaid. Goodness, I almost was walking to the kitchen aisle and was forgetting this end cap. This is mostly all Michael's items, so the recollections. And the mini album still here. I grabbed a couple of these to do some album makeovers and do some paper crafting with them. I have to actually sit down and do that. They do have some newer items that were not here last time I was in, so keep your eyes peeled. I haven't heard very good reviews on, sorry, there were some reviews on the ink, like the gel pens and stuff, and some were saying that they were dry. So if anyone has any feedback, I'd love for you to leave a comment down below letting me know if the ink pens or any of the chalk writers have worked for you. There's some awesome paper pads here, perfect for craft journaling and paper crafting and junk journaling, all sorts of things. You have some new journals. I like this is top coiled, I guess. And as for pens, nothing super new here. Some newer crackers, if anyone has tried this brand, Adoro. We like the Crackle Pop. Just let us know. And I'm just going to start heading down the kitchen stuff because I wanted to see if they had some of the new flour sacks. This one is a new towel, little towel, and it's the new print. It's beautiful. It'd be actually nice to even make a pumpkin out of. And no flour sacks here. I'm sorry, the flour tea towels kind of. Anyways, I'm thinking about that. I'm not a big microfiber fan, but maybe that would be nice for a pumpkin. So here are the matching, just in case you didn't know, there's plates that match that towel I was just speaking about. There's the smaller plate. I'm gonna head out now. I'm at the checkout. I hope you guys enjoyed walking around with me, and until next time everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.